Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing. Gather your Apple ID, passcode, and any second-factor device so you can toggle services without lockouts. Once ready, make a quick backup to iCloud or a computer. This preserves photos and messages if you later erase the phone. Now, open Settings and go straight to your Apple ID banner at the top. This is where device reachability options live. Make sure you have Wi-Fi or cellular enabled temporarily. Otherwise, some toggles won't appear. You now remove network-based reachability. In Settings Messages, switch off iMessage, then go to FaceTime and toggle it off. Next, tap your Apple ID, choose Find My, and disable Share My Location and Find My iPhone. You must enter your Apple ID password to confirm. If you require the device to be fully unlinked, sign out of iCloud entirely. This severs continuity features like handoff and device ring. Once done, the phone will no longer appear or receive calls via those Apple services. You finish by blocking network access. Enable airplane mode, then disable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi for a full offline state. This prevents cellular and internet reach. Restart the phone to ensure all service changes take effect, and then test by attempting a call or sending an iMessage from another device. If the phone remains reachable, make sure the carrier hasn't provisioned simultaneous ring or call forwarding, and remove any eSIM or SIM profiles if necessary. That usually resolves unexpected reachability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.